already know about that. And Pokemon Live Wallpaper is really cool. Now it's older, but if you never use it, that's gonna be very special for you, because I already made videos on it previously, but that was rooted method or something. But today I will show you how you guys can use the Pokemon Sidekick wallpaper in your device without root. So you guys can use it on any iOS and MIUI and any custom OS. You guys can install this on any custom OS. So let's get it started. First of all, download the zip file from the given link in description, and really thanks to the pranav for building this one. And you guys will get a zip file. Now let me show you that. I already made a folder. Here is the Pokemon Sidekick. Here you guys can see that Pokemon Sidekick wallpaper zip file. And remember one thing, don't extract the zip file, keep it as it is. Then you guys need one application which is called SAI, that means Split APK Installer. Just go to Play Store and type Split APK Installer. Then you guys will get the application. My net connection is very slow, so that's why I can't show you right now. I already installed on my device, and after installing that Split APK Installer, you guys don't need to do anything. And if you want to check the settings, you guys can use also the root method, but you guys don't need to do that. And here you guys can see extract APKs from archive. Don't turn that on, just keep everything as it is. Then go to installer and go to install APKs and internal file picker. Then navigate to the folder. You have the files. I have here is the Pokemon Sidekick wallpaper. Then select and let it be installed, and it will take some time. So you guys will get a pop-up like this. Just click on install and it's installing. Pixel Live wallpaper has been installed. And when you are going to install first time, you guys will get a white screen, but don't worry about that, it will be installed automatically, no problem. Now you guys can clear the recents, and I'm using this one in Android 13, and don't worry, you guys can install this on Android 10, 11, 12 as well, no issues. Now go to wallpaper and style and change wallpaper, and you guys will get that live wallpaper, which is really cool. Just click on that button and successfully installed and applied. You guys can install this Pokemon Sidekick wallpaper like this, and if you double click on that, you can change it. So just like this. I hope you guys will like it. If you never use it, then of course you will like that one, which is Pokemon Sidekick wallpapers. And I hope you guys understand the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.